Good afternoon, Philippines. The hot news from various parts of the country. This is TV3J from the northern Mindanao. Many of our fellow citizens in Quezon, Bukidnon are mourning today to a landslide. Let's get the details from Bethel. Bethel?
On October 18, 2005, in Quezon, Bukidnon, a landslide occurred, causing a major disruption for residents. Their livelihoods and daily lives are affected. The cause is soil erosion, the gradual removal of fertile soil due to water, wind, and improper land use. This leads to decreased farm productivity, flooding, and sedimentation. Back to you, Katrijit Kim.
Soil erosion is indeed a big problem affecting human life. Soil erosion is the process of wearing away or removal of soil particles from one place to another through natural processes like water, wind, or ice. It can also be caused by human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, or improper land use. But how can it be solved? Let's watch Katrijit Rees for a follow-up report.
Thank you, Katrijit Kim, the Assistant Manager of BAF or Binahon Agri-Forestry Farm from Blantapan, Bukidnon, shared with us the importance of soil conservation through agroforestry.
Ako si Novi Butra, usa ka trabahanter ya pundari.
What is unsa ang agroforestry? Unsa yung importance aning agroforestry ug unsa yung benepisyo sa in terms of soil conservation?
Ahoy. Sa environment nato, kung walay kahoy, unsa meto?
Landslide.
Landslide, unsa pa?
Erosion, soil erosion.
Soil erosion, unsa pa gyud?
Init kayo.
Correct. Init kay tanan nya. Unya pag naay mga pananglitan ay mga truck, mga pollution. So kinsay mo kuno na ang mga kahoy. So kung walay kahoy, grabe ka polluted gyud atong mga kwan. So tanan murag gamit yun nato tanan sa mga tao. Dili gyud nga pinirat tanan tao sa katibok kalibutan. So mo gyud na atong kunan sa part lang na siya.
According to Mr. Butra, agroforestry is crucial in preventing soil erosion and global warming. It is also a profitable farming method. Back to you, Katrijit Kim.
Indeed, it's essential for every citizen to understand the importance of agroforestry in protecting our environment. Thank you, Louise. Now, let's go to Tristan for more details. Tristan?
Mr. Butra from Blantapan, Bukidnon, shared with us how to encourage people to implement agroforestry in their areas.
Unsaon nimo paghikayat ang mga tao nga mag-apply the way in ani nga
magplano. Plano gyud, number 1, plano. Unsay ako itanong kay da kung hagas ka lang mag-awat-awat mag-abot na mga kadang pareho mag-adto mo sa lugar nya tanaw diretso ka aksyon agad ayaw gyud pagutana gyud na kabalo or kung mga crops or mga kuan sa dii.
According to him, proper knowledge and community cooperation are key to promoting agroforestry as a livelihood and environmental protection. That's it. Back to you, Kim.
And that's the hot news for today. This is TV3J, leaving you with a saying: the protection of soil is the protection of our future. Healthy soil means healthy life. Long live Philippines, mabuhay Philippines.